when you now start refining the drawing, when you start putting the details, shade at the same time, so that you can see volume. What inspires me to keep working with younger generations is there's this passion to impart knowledge, to teach, and that is what has kept me going. What I've seen, I actually didn't expect. I did not expect this kind of turnout. Even mothers bringing their kids to the workshop. I am Catherine Obuehi. I got to know about this through Mr. Raphael. I noticed he loves drawing, and so I decided to look for someone who will put him through. I'm not trying to push him. It's up to him if he actually wants to go deep into it.
This was my first time drawing from life. Most of the time I just draw a picture, but it was actually, it's okay. I thought whether it was hard before, but
it's quite an experience coming around here since yesterday. Right, we're here yesterday and also today. And the sole aim of our coming today is all about drawing. And it's quite an interesting to note that even as visual artists, we all find ourselves using different medium to execute our works, and of which we've neglected the aspect of drawing for a long time. And a platform like this actually brings together creatives, even the known artists in Nigeria and the upcoming artists in Nigeria, all coming under the same umbrella to draw.
My name is Joseph Michael. I'm a movement and sound artist.
My name is Faze. I'm a model, a dancer.
So my experience since yesterday and today has been good in the sense that you get to see different artists draw you or sketch you in different ways, different characters, different expression.
My name is Bob Nusa Owagboy. If you're not here, probably maybe you didn't get the information, but next time when you get the information, try and be here, because it's an opportunity for you to mix up with the older masters. You know, people who have been practicing for years, and you also meet up with the younger ones as well.
So I want to thank Gemini Gallery for creating an atmosphere like this, which is conducive for, the ambience is lovely and the serenity is superb. Thank you so much.